Ooh, stock. Very plastic.
Very plastic compared to very shiny, very not plastic.
Very not plastic, very carbon.
So we're here with Supercars of London M3.
Yeah, very stock M3 at the minute. Yeah, slight difference between the two, but give us a couple of hours and this should be slightly more aligned with each other.
It's going to look smart with the grey as well.
Yeah, the grey is going to look really nice. The carbon will blend in so seamlessly with this as well. It'll look really, really sort of OEM plus in how it's done. You know, part of the reason we designed the kit is for it to be that OEM plus upgrade type look in a kit where we retain the lower half of the airbox as opposed to ripping the whole system out and everything else. So yeah, it should fit really nicely in with this and make it the real M3 comp it should be.
Don't forget to use SOL10 at checkout for a 10% discount site-wide across all purchases. And a top tip from the team, they have a purpose-built search engine at Pipercross.com to help you find the exact filter for your car.
So look, we're partway through installing the kit, or we've got all the standard stuff out. We're preparing the AirMax lids. How's it going?
Yeah, all good, like you say, we've got all the OE parts out now, so that's all out of the car. Just assembling lids with the plus filters into the OE airbox lower halves. So using the nice machine standoffs, dedicated bolts, everything else that we've designed specifically for the kits. So we'll get these on, and then next step for me will be putting the two machine inlets back onto the OE inlets. We'll get those on, silicone hose on, and then we're not far away from being complete. To be honest, just got to pop the airboxes back in, pipe in, double check all the hose clamps, and yeah, we're good for a first start.
There are cars like the GT3 RS that on the road you're like, oh my god, this is way too stiff.
It just feels like it's trying to murder you all of the time, rather than just some of the time.
That's what I'm slowly starting to appreciate. Out of all of the modifications that I've done, just want to get it on the car and cover it up.
Yeah.
But then when there's real craftsmanship going on, you just want to leave it all exposed.
Yeah.
And just like
show it off.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Let people look at it.
So you've driven the M3, the Pipercross M3 demo car, a little bit now. How are you finding it?
I love it. I think what the guys have done in terms of modifications have built the perfect combination and blend between, you can drive this to the track, and of course at the moment we've dialed everything up into Sport Plus, so it is uber firm, but it just means that I'm getting a lot more feedback from the road and actually getting a lot more confidence put down onto the tarmac. My favourite thing is obviously the noise, where you can hear everything working.
It's such a cohesive package. The suspension, the wheels, the tyre package, the intake and the exhaust. You could drive this to the track and unleash all of it.
Yeah. The one thing that you think with an M3 is something so driver focused that if you were to modify it, to dial it to a track, that it would become too pointy, too responsive.
Yeah.
But I think the way that the power is delivered through the four-wheel drive, I mean, listen to that. Like,
Which comes alive, doesn't it?
it's so cool.
Are you excited to get back to our HQ and see how the guys are getting on with the intake onto your M3?
Yeah. Firstly, visually, it completely transforms the engine bay.
Yeah.
But speaking to Luke, Indy, the team, and just understanding not just the development that's gone into it, but how many intricacies there are to improving the airflow, but doing it in a way that's OEM plus. I know that product is going to suit so well into my car and gives me the perfect foundation. So if I want to tune it, if I want to then throw an exhaust on, I've got almost baseline the most efficient operating service for my engine. Therefore everything's just going to work in harmony together, a little bit like this car. And I think it's the perfect first modification to it, and I can't believe, having spoken to Luke, just how important I now find this as something that needs to be done to every car that I buy now. Definitely a crash course. I've learned so much in the space of the last 2 hours. It looks great, it obviously does the job, it's functional, and you also get that little airy...
Yeah, the
noises.
suction noises.
That,
all of the good noises.
Exactly.
Cool, let's get back to HQ and check it out.
Let's do it.
So all wrapped up on Paul's M3 now, and it's out here sunbathing, and it looks glorious.
Yeah, pretty happy with this one. Fitment, as per usual, without fault. It's part of the whole design process why we go to so much effort in designing these and making sure clearances are there and work and everything. But yeah, I mean, it looks stellar on this grey in the engine bay. The engine cover on there as well just obviously finishes it off as we like to do. But yeah, it's nice, and I'm hoping Paul's going to really enjoy his drive home. So.
Thank you very much for watching. Click here to see more of our Pipercross content.